Hi, in this video we're going to be looking at some tips for working with problems with square roots. When you look at these problems, it says which expression is equivalent to the given value. And I have the square root of 96 with some whole numbers and some square roots that follow. We want to know which one is going to be the same result as the square root of 96. So in my calculator, I have a calculator screen open as opposed to graphs or statistics or lists or anything like that. I'm going to type in the square root of 96. So if we look right above our x squared, we see a little square root symbol above the key. So I have to hit the control button along with that x squared, and you'll see it opens up the square root. I'm going to type in my 96 and hit enter. I'm going to go ahead and write that down as my equivalent value. Let's go with green for the square root of 96. So it is 9.79796. And then I'm going to check these and see which one gives me that same exact value. So for A, the square root of 32, I'm going to hit Control, x squared, and I can see I have my square root of 32. And when I do that, I can see I do not get the 5.979796. So that is an answer choice I can eliminate. Well, we know it's not 48 because it's 9.79796, so I don't have to even look at that one. 6 square roots of 4, 6 square root, so I'm going to hit the control and the x squared so I can see my square root of 4 gives me 12. So that's not going to be the right answer because 12 is not the correct answer. So it has to be 4 square root of 6, but let's just go ahead and look and see if I do 4 square root of 6. Notice I get that 9.797996 answer. So D is my correct answer because they both give me the same value. Okay, let's look at the second one here. 8 square roots of 27. So I'm going to do that same thing. 8 square root of 27 gives me an answer of 41.5692. So I know it's not the whole number 24. Let's try 24 square roots of 3. 24, control x squared. In my square root, I'm going to put 3. Notice I got the exact same answer. So that is my result. Okay, you can check the other two just to be safe if you'd like. 3 square roots of 24, so 3 control x squared of 24. That's 14. We're looking for 41, and so that's not correct. And then 24 square roots of 9, 24 square roots of 9 is 72, so that's not correct. These two are equivalent. They equal each other. Okay? All right, so the last one of these we're going to try is the square root of 216. The square root of 216 gives me a value of 14. Oops, I don't know where that came from. 14.6969. So let's see which one of these is going to give me that. I know it's not going to be D. That's not going to work out. Okay, let's see if I can erase that. All right, so 3 square roots of 72. Let's try that. 3 control x squared, 72, gives me not 14.6969. So it's not A. Let's try 2 square roots of 108. 2 control x squared. In my square root, I'm going to put my 108. And I can see I get 20.7846, which is not the result I'm looking for. So it's going to have to be C, but let's check and make sure. 6 square root of 6 is my 14.6969. So C is my correct answer. Okay, so just make sure that you know how to enter square roots into that calculator, and you should be fine on these kind of problems when you're taking the STAR test. Thanks for watching.